Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Got an unboxing from a friend today, my good friend Jennifer Krzewinski. Yeah, I don't know if I'll ever be able to learn that last name, but she is my good friend. I do know your first name very well. Sorry about the last name. But anyways, I'm excited to see. So stay tuned and unbox with me. Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back in. Got some friend mail from my friend Jennifer and I can't wait to open it. Super excited. I did have my husband open it for me, untape it and everything so that we wouldn't have to wait on here for me to untape. There was a lot of tape on it. And he said there was a second box in here too that was pretty taped up. So he got it on tape for me. So he pretty much knows, I think, what's all in here, but I don't. Not yet, Jennifer. So I'm excited. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. For starters, I see some soda or waters. Bubbly, sparkly water. I have never tried these. We do have these where we live, but I've never tried them. So excited to be able to get something new to drink. This is the raspberry flavor. And let's see. What is it sweetened with? It's just carbonated natural water. Wow. No worries here. There ain't really no ingredients. So just carbonated flavored water. So I'm excited to try that. And she got me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cans, I believe. Looks like, yep. 5 cans of the bubbly, the raspberry flavor, which raspberry, you must listen well to my videos. Raspberry is my all-time favorite flavor in most things that I drink or eat. I love raspberries. Okay, so let's just throw out the paper. Okay, there is a, looks like a shirt here. Phelan. This t-shirt is from a local sports shop and love their motto and thought you would too. Run hard, live easy. Well, Phelan is going to like this. So he must not have seen this. I thought he would have seen everything in here. So he must not have seen it, but he said he opened that other box for me. Wow, this is nice. He is going to like it. He's not home right now, but I'll show you guys the shirt. Oh yeah, the back, that's cool. Run hard, live easy. Yes, my husband is going to love this. Can't wait for him to see this. Thank you, Jennifer. Let's set everything kind of here so we can just see the stuff that we got. He is going to love that. Thank you very much. Okay, what's this? Lids. Oh, I can always use lids. Just a few lids I've been sharing, or saving, not sharing, saving for your paints. Awesome, thank you, because I am, reusing my covers now. If you see that in my videos, I'm reusing them. So thank you so much. I try to, get more covers, but a lot of the things that I get, I either use the containers for things or I forget and throw them away. So thank you so much. I will definitely, use these. They will come in handy. So lids for me to do my nails and my paintings. Whoops. More paper, making sure nothing's inside of it. I got a lot of tissue paper. Thank you. Now that was just to package it really well. And then we got another box right here. And this one was unboxed already too. Okay, we got a card here. Oh, yes, I'm super excited. You guys, look at another book I get to read with you guys. Another, inspirational book. This one is called Words of Jesus for Women. 366 Reflections on the Word of Jesus. How beautiful. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Look at how beautiful and how big this is. This one's going to take a while to finish. There's the back of it. I hope you guys can see that okay. The lighting is probably so bright, you probably can't. But anyways, I'll be taking a picture at the end. But oh my gosh, wow, I am excited to be reading this one. In fact, we'll read one. To a Wonderful Woman, Angel, from Jennifer. Keep shining your light for Jesus Christ. Love you and all you do. Aw, thank you, sweetheart. I can't wait. We'll read one today. So, there we go. We got that too. Oh, she got me some decaf Earl Grey tea, one of my favorite teas. Again, you must listen that I drink decaf, not caffeinated. Thank you so much. This is my all-time favorite tea. Favorite tea. I love it. Love the taste of it. It just really is good. With my grandmother being from England, she taught me the great teas. We got another one here, a Peach Tranquility flavored herbal tea with all natural flavors, with chamomile and notes of citrus. Ooh, chamomile, that'll help people to sleep. And what are the ingredients? Make sure there's no sweetener in here. I'm sure you would have already looked at all of that. Looks good. Yeah, awesome. A peach tea. I do like peach, so I know I will enjoy this as well. Thank you for that. Another tea. And what is this? Down the Bayou, Louisiana Cajun spice. For a Miss Spicy gal here who loves spice. And come on, you can't get any better than a Louisiana spice. Never tried it. I'm sure it's very spicy, and I am excited to try it. We'll be trying it in my recipes for you guys. Yeah, thank you. I love my spicy foods. Yum. And last but not least, ooh, eyelashes by Kiss. Great brand. Ooh, I like these. These are beautiful. It's a multi-pack. There's 5 in here. And is there a name? It's just got some numbers on it. But ooh, these are beautiful. I can't wait to wear these ones. My next video, you'll see me wearing them. She got me a pack of eyelashes. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for all of this stuff. Oh my goodness. And then there's a card. I'm going to read it first though, because I get very emotional when I read things. So. Okay. Nothing too personal so we can read it. It is just me, and it's a cute little dog. It's my little mini. Hoping today is a good day for you and tomorrow even better. Thank you, sweetheart. Hi, my sweet friend. I just want you to know that I see your hard work, determination, love for God, and dedication to your channel. Keep being you and pushing us all to be the best we can be. You are very welcome, and I am honored. Yes, I am welling up a little bit. Does make me feel good when people do acknowledge, you know, what I try to help. You know, I want to help all of you. I want nothing in return. I didn't need all of this. Your friendship is more than anybody could ever ask for. You are a true friend and so good to me, and I love you with all my heart. But I do thank you for all of this stuff. Thank you for taking time out to get all of this for me, and this beautiful card and the thoughtful words you put in there for me. But yeah, humble myself. I just, you know, I love helping all you guys. I do believe it's my calling from God, and I am very determined, and I, you know, want to help each and every one of you become close to Christ. I don't want any of you left behind. All of you that watch me, it's important that you become, you know, dear to me. I don't want anybody to be left behind, nobody, but especially the people I know and love. So that's important to me. God's very important to me. And yes, you are right. In one of my last videos, my outfit video, I know somebody had said that they see that I have a lot of, you know, a lot of soul to God, and I do. God's very special to me. Maybe that's why my name is Angel. I don't know. But anyways, but yeah, I'm determined to help all of you with the ketogenic diet as well, and that's why I keep coming up with new recipes. And it's not easy, let me tell you, it's not easy to think of these recipes because I don't look any of them up. I want to try to, you know, have my own recipes and hopefully have a cookbook one day. So that's personalized just by me, that I invented all myself. I don't like to look up recipes because a lot of them aren't true keto. I want you guys to really know what true keto is, and that's why I work hard to, you know, come up with these meals and treats for you guys to help you guys, because, you know, I made keto boring for me. I just kept it simple: meat, cheese, eggs, and green veggies. But I know a lot of you need it to be more spiced up, and that's why I show you meals like that. But my, you know, determination for keto, oh, there's more in the back. we'll finish that in a second. But yes, my determination for ketogenic, for the cleaning I do, and for my dedication to the Lord will always be bigger. I'll always start my day, go through my day, and end my day with God. He's number one, big one in my life, number one. And number two then is, keeping myself healthy and keeping my house clean and keeping the people in my family happy and loved. So, but nobody will love you more than God. And I'm so appreciative to have the good Lord in my life, and I'm glad that I have a place to go to when we leave this world that we're going through right now, this hard time. But again, it doesn't have to be hard or nothing to fear. If you walk with God, it never has to be fear. And we're going to read. The other side says this little book I included isn't a prayers and promises. They didn't have any new ones, but I hope you will share this new one with all of us. Much love to you, Phelan. Much love to you and Phelan and Minnie. Love, Jen. Oh, she even kind of spelled it out for me. Krzewinski. Krzewinski. I hope I'm saying it right. Krzewinski. Maybe that's how you say it. Maybe I got it right this time. Krzewinski. I hope I got it right. I hope I did. But anyways, thank you so much, sweetheart, for this. I appreciate all of that. And wow, yeah, you didn't have to do all of this for me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate your friendship. That means the world to me. Sorry about that. The alarm went off. But thank you very much, Jennifer, for everything. Like I was saying, that your friendship means the most to me. I don't need anything. I absolutely do not need anything. I'm very content and happy in my life. But who doesn't love a gift, right? Who doesn't love a gift? So thank you so much. And Phelan will love this. I'll take a picture at the end, you guys, with everything laid out so you can see it really well. And we'll go ahead and start our first one today with this. Now you're going to get the old one still because I wanted to get this video up right away for you, Jennifer. So this one you read, and then of course we're going to go back to the other one because I have a few to finish up with the other one, and then we'll go back to this one. But let's go ahead and read our first one. The first thing it says when I open it up says, as the Father has loved me, so have I loved you. Now remain in my love. John 15:9. Wonderful verse. January. Oh, these are for the months. I like that. So let's actually go to August. Let's go to August 8th because that's what it is today, August 8th. So we'll be going back and reading, but we're going to read what the day of the week it is. That's how you're supposed to read this one. Okay, August 8th. Give up control. If any of you wants to be my follower, you must turn from your selfish ways, take up your cross, and follow me. Matthew 16:24. And that is true. We all do have to bear our cross. Just like Jesus did, we have to bear our cross. We have to go through hard times in life. We do. In order to, live that good Christian life and understand that we are sinful people, we have to take up our cross too, because Jesus took it and was not sinful. In fact, was sin-free, but yet took on the sins of us. So we do need to bear our cross, take up our cross, and follow Jesus. We do. In order to make it to the kingdom, we do. Giving up control is a daily, giving up control is a daily, something a minute by minute thing. But following Jesus means denying yourself, giving up control of what happens in your life and trusting Jesus no matter what. In this scripture passage, Jesus had just told his disciples that he was going to die. He wanted his disciples to know that they must put aside their fear of suffering or pain and follow him. Can you do that? It's important to stay focused on God's plan and follow him, come what may. Wow, that is powerful. And just to know that that's what Jesus was saying to them, He was telling his disciples that he is going to die, and he wanted them to know that they must put aside their fears and suffering and pain and follow him. They needed to do that. Down here it says living it, and it says, somebody wrote it, Corey Ten Boone. You may never know that Jesus is all you need until Jesus is all you have. Wow, that's beautiful. That could almost bring tears to my eyes. You may never know that Jesus is all you need until Jesus is all you have. And that's true. Sometimes in our life, we get to a point in our life where we feel helpless. We feel alone. Homeless people, people that have lost, lots of people that don't have anybody will feel very alone. And that's when they realize that they're truly not alone and that they do need Jesus. because Jesus will love you more than anybody will. Wow, wow, this was powerful, you guys. Very powerful. I'm very excited to be reading this. And like I said, I'll follow the days on it. And that's how we're going to read this one, since it works with the days of the week. So thank you so much, Jennifer. Again, I love this book. I can't wait to keep reading it. There is a little, good, there is one. So we can go ahead and put in the bookmark for tomorrow. For, whoops, I went ahead a page. But we'll put it in for the bookmark for tomorrow. 9. All right. So thank you so much, honey. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you do for me. Like I said, I can't thank you enough. And I love everything. Everything will get used. Can't wait to try that spice. Gonna do a new recipe and we'll use that spice in it. So, but anyways, I love you guys very much. You're gonna get a video later, which is my eating show this evening, but I wanted to get this one up today for Jennifer so she didn't have to wait. I didn't know what day to put it up. But in the video, I talked about this chain that I got. I keep thinking you can't see it very good, but I guess you can. I just can't see it as I'm looking. But I got this beautiful chain off of Amazon. A lot of people really like it. It's a 16-inch choker. It's got the extender on it with a little heart and everything. It is 18 karat gold plated, so you just want to be careful. You don't want to wear it, you know, in water and stuff like that. Take it out, but it's a choker. I love it. Absolutely love it. I think it looks great against the tan skin and everything, but it looks great on everybody. If you'd like to order it, I will stick the picture in here where it's, you know, it's from Amazon. I'll stick the picture in there on how to order it, you know, the site that you go to or whatever, how to order it. I'll stick it in this one because I meant to say it in the last one to stick it in that one, and I forgot and already loaded that video that you're getting this evening. So, but anyways, thanks again, Jennifer. Oh, the necklace is $9.99 with tax and everything. Shipping, it was like 17 bucks, and it comes in like 5 days. The shipping is wonderful, and it's a beautiful, dainty gold chain. And there was a few different choices, but I love the one with the beads on it. It's from a good friend that I watch, Sweetie Snacker is her channel. Shout out to her, and she wears it all the time. It looks great on her, and she already got a second one because yeah, after a while they tarnish. But I never wear mine in the water or nothing because I don't want it to tarnish. So, but anyways, I know it's gone, and I'll just order another one because they're cheap. So, but anyways, thank you, Jennifer, so much for your thoughtfulness and your kind heart and another one of these books. I'm super excited. And don't worry that it wasn't a Prayers and Promises. I actually love all the different ones. I actually, when I asked for where you got it from, I was going to look for something totally different. Love the Prayers and Promises, but I also will love this one, especially for the women, since I have most women watching me. But men, you'll get something out of this too. Remember that. Definitely try to seek out our good Lord. Start your day, end your day, and go through your day with the Bible. I don't have it. It's right over there. Well, I'll just grab this one. I will just grab this one. Start your day, go through your day, and end your day with this book right here, the Holy Bible. Nothing will teach you more than this book will. Live it, learn it, read it, get on your knees, pray, spend quality time alone with God. Give him everything, give him your whole life. Don't judge, don't turn people away, don't be mean to your enemies, love thy enemy, be good to them, pray for them, be good to everybody, and get on your knees the old-fashioned way and pray to God. We need to clean up our world. God needs to clean up the world, so we need to pray to him and ask for that, and he will. He definitely will clean up our world. This too shall pass. Don't be afraid. Fear nothing. Lean on Jesus. I've got this Bible here. There's another Bible there and the Bible over there. As you see, I don't even know if you can see that, but I'll grab it to show you right here. So yeah, I'm just full of Bibles all over my house because, what is it? Joshua, I can't remember the verse, but it's in Joshua. I'll put it in here. I'll put it in here for you guys, the saying, but at the very end of it, it says, but in my home, we will serve the Lord. And that's the very end of it. I don't remember the whole chapter, but it says, for in my home, I will serve the Lord. And I'll put that down, I'll put it down below, or I'll link it down below in my box. If anybody needs any help, or you need help with ketogenic or help following the Lord, go ahead and send me an email. If you're new to my channel, right there is a red subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my new uploads. Share around my channel so I can grow bigger and bigger and help many people with ketogenic, their faith with God, fashion, whatever you like. I have a multi-channel. And definitely shoot me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing friend mail from my good friend Jennifer Krzewinski. I hope I said that right. I love you, girl. Everybody take care, and I will continue to pray for all of you for your safety and that hedge of protection. Please continue to pray for me. Love you guys. God bless and take care.